It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with 53rd question of the day series, right? And today also, I will discuss some of the best questions you might have not seen previously, right? And this will be helpful for all your examinations, whatsoever you are preparing along with your GATE. Yes. So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma. My best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011 and these are my credits. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? In iconic, one such greatest advantage is you will be assigned with a personal coach. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, personalized test analysis. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, and if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted, right? So this is what most of the students need, right? They complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus but we are not able to apply the things onto the questions, we are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful, right? Each and every test will be analyzed, the mistakes are rectified so that your score will be boosted. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of complete plus and iconic, how much you have to invest. So if you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day normally. But today we are offering you flat, and this offer ends today, flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. And yes, we are giving you extension of months, right? If you buy for 6 months, you'll be getting 1 month for free, 12 plus 3, 18 plus 6, 24 plus 6, right? So see here, you'll be getting free extension and you'll be getting flat 20% discount. So altogether it is more than 30% discount. Those who are interested to join the best quality courses right now available in India, only platform where you can get entire quality course, right? So do try to subscribe before 11:59 p.m. today, right? See here, I have given the entire details there. So you are saving up to 53%. Done. And yes, you can buy printed notes, right, which is prepared by topmost educators in India, right? So I know that how much rigorous check I have gone through when I'm writing the textbooks there here. One of the best quality courses. So buy, interested guys can buy printed notes using with my code NLN10, where you will be getting flat 20% discount, right? As I said the right. So I wrote some textbooks, right? So it has done some 7 to 8 rigorous checks was done here, that I know perfectly, right? So let's start the question series here. Yes, this is the question there. Now I will solve this question, and from next question I will be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question to be solved, right? Now come to the question there. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon with side A units. So regular hexagon means all the sides will be of same units only, ma. So I'll take down this, to understand it, this is A. M and N are midpoints of A, B and ED, it seems. What is the area of the shaded region is the question asked. So most of the questions run like this only today, finding out shaded area. Right, now come to the question there. Let's find out. Now see here, everybody know a regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. Am I right or wrong? I'll show you. Now see here, so from center O, this is nothing but I'll be drawing like this. Now see, closely observe there, everybody know. So this will be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. So automatically this total central angle will be 360 degrees. Now how much will be this angle beta? This angle will be 60 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Now closely observe there, these two sides are equal. So automatically angles opposite to equal sides will also be equal. Now this will be 60 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Now see here, I will be dropping a line segment from O to M. Observe here carefully. I will be dropping a line segment from O to M. Okay. Now you closely observe there. M is midpoint. AB line segment value is A. Now what will be MB value? MB value will be A by 2. Am I right or wrong? And yes, I have dropped a perpendicular from O to M. Now this will make 90 degrees. Everybody know about this. If this is 90 degrees, now how much will be this angle? This angle will be 30 degrees. And now this is 90, 60, 30 degrees triangle. So 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle will be in the format of 1:√3:2. How many of you got this point there? So 1:√3:2. So automatically I got one value, my hypotenuse. Now see, this is A by 2. Now automatically everybody know AB is A, AO is A, OB is A. Now this is A, matlab MO value will be how much, ma? MO value will be √3 by 2. Am I right or wrong? √3 by 2 A. I'll take down √3 by 2 A. Similar case, so I will be extending my this O to N. Now closely observe there, ON will also be √3 by 2. By this, what can I write down? My mn value will be how much? Mn value is nothing but equal to root 3a. I hope so you are clear regarding this. Chal, I'll take down one more line segment. So see here, from O to F, I'll be taking a line segment. Now closely observe there. OFA is an equilateral triangle. Yes, perfectly. And see here, I will be extending this side also. Now OC. Now you closely observe there. This is A and this is A. Now what is my FC value? My FC value is nothing but equal to 2A. In what way this will be helpful for my question there? Let's see. Now you closely observe there. I will show one more triangle. Triangle MOC. Yes, triangle MOC. Triangle MOC is a right angle triangle. Everybody know about this. Now see here, I'll show this. So this is a right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Perfectly. Now this is 30, this is 60, totally it is 90, because see here, all these angles will be 60, 60, 60, 60 plus 30 combinedly together. So I took it as 90. So perpendicular sides MO square, perpendicular sides MO square plus OC square is nothing but equal to MC square. So let's calculate this and let's find out MO value is nothing but root 3 by 2a. So root 3 by 2a means 3a square by 4 plus what is OC square value? OC value is nothing but a square, which is nothing but equal to 7a square by 4. 7a square by 4 is nothing but equal to MC square. Now MC value will be how much here? MC value will be root 7a by 2. Okay. Now MC is nothing but equal to root 7a by 2. Now see here, MF also will be the same. FN will also be same. NC will also be same. All the sides of the quadrilateral are same. And you closely observe there, FC and MN are diagonals, and these diagonals are unequal. One diagonal MN value is root 3a, FC value is 2a. When all the sides are equal and diagonals are unequal, now this quadrilateral is nothing but called what? Rhombus. Am I right or wrong? So MCNF is a rhombus. How many of you got this point there? MCNF is a rhombus. Now let me know what is how to find out area of the rhombus there. Everybody know half into diagonals D1 into D2. Now everybody know D1 value is root 3a. I'll write down the value here, 1 by 2 into root 3a into D2 is nothing but equal to how much? This 2a. So finally this is root 3a square. Am I right or wrong? So I got the area of the rhombus. Now if I find out the area of the circle, if I remove from rhombus, then automatically that will be my answer. This is called shaded area asked, right? So let's come to area of the circle. Area of the circle is nothing but equal to pi r square. Now what is your r value there? Can anybody say? Now you closely observe there. Is this nothing but called radius? What shall I do? I'll write down in blacking. Now is this nothing but called radius? Yes, it is called radius. Of course, diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle is nothing but equal to side of the rhombus. Am I right or wrong? So side of the rhombus is nothing but equal to how much? Root 7a by 2. Now what will be radius there? R value will be how much? I hope so you are understanding my R value is nothing but equal to root 7a, because diameter is root 7a by 2, radius will be root 7a by 4. So finally area of the circle will be pi into r square value 7a square by 16. So I have to subtract these two things. That will be my answer there. Subtract this. So what can I make common there? A square, I will make it as common there. From the rhombus, root 3 minus 7 pi by 16. A square units is nothing but equal to my area of the shaded area. So how many of you got this point there? And option number C exactly satisfies there. Perfectly done now. So these type of questions are being frequently asked in IIFT and even CAT, right? Before last year there is a question on this, finding out shaded area. So I'm dealing little bit higher level questions, but the entire topic will be covered in one question. That is my agenda here, right? So you don't worry about that. So in the same way, I'm expecting you guys to answer this question here. Let's see how many can answer this. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. As I have solved one question, I'm expecting you guys to solve this question here. Try this. Very Srinivas today. Anshita Gupta, Bhavesh, Pralay Mehta, Naman Mehta. Waiting for your answer, right? Rupa, after seeing this question also, how can you ask this is a logical reasoning class? Are you seriously preparing for CAT or some other examination? A regular hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F is inscribed, okay, in a semicircle of radius R, capital R, and center O as given in the figure. Okay, fine. So what shall we do now? What is the area of the semicircle? What is the area of the semicircle outside the hexagon? Is the question asked, it seems. Shall let's see how many can solve this. Two 31, 30. Yesterday I have seen a question in a blog here. I was literally mesmerized. I was literally mesmerized by seeing that question. I'll share that question tomorrow because there's no time there to make it typed. Pralay, hi, Kunal, A or C? A or C? So there are no two options in the examination now. Pralay is saying that C, it seems. Let's see whether he is right or not. Pralay, just now I asked about you here. Right. Chalo. What I will do is, first of all, I will be taking down this as center of the hexagon. O dash. Now everybody know a regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equal triangles, 6 equilateral triangles. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So see here, I will be taking down like this. I will be taking down like this. What I will do is, I will be taking down my AB value, my AB or whatsoever. This I will take down this as A value. Now I will be dropping a perpendicular. Now see here, from here to here, I will be taking down a line segment. See so here. Oh, 1 second here. This I will take down as center of the hexagon. From the center of the hexagon, as I said there, it can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. All the AB line segment, BO dash, AO dash will be equal. So I will be taking down my BC line segment as A. Okay, then what is the point given there? Now this is perpendicular, right? So I'm dropping down a perpendicular. This will be 90 degrees. This will be 60 degrees. This will be 30 degrees. Everybody know, just now you have seen in the previous slide. Now how much will be this value there? This value will be root 3 by 2 A. Sorry, this will be A by 2. Sorry, half na A by 2, opposite to 30 degrees. So I will be taking down A, B, C, D, F. Now I will take down this as G. This value as G. A by 2. Now closely observe that this will be how much? GO dash will be how much? GO dash will be root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by 2A. By this I can write down as GO value will be how much? GO value will be root 3A. Okay. Now you closely observe there. I'll take down one more set. Now from O to B, is it nothing but called radius? Yes, it is radius. Capital R. Now how much is capital R value? Let's calculate this first. Capital R value is nothing but equal to, see here, Pythagorean triplet, right? This is one perpendicular side, this is one perpendicular side. So a square by 4, R square is equal to a square by 4. Now this is root 3a, na, I will be writing down as 3a square. So finally R square is nothing but equal to 13a square by 4. 13a square by 4. So finally, can I write down this as a value can be written as 2 capital R by root 3? Yes, I can write down this as capital root 13. Sorry. 2R by capital 13. Yes. Finally, so see here, what is the thing that I have to do? What is the area of the semicircle which lies outside the hexagon? Now I will find out the area of the hexagon. I mean, area of the semicircle is nothing but equal to pi R square by 2. Am I right or wrong? So from this pi R square by 2, I have to subtract my hexagon area. Hexagon area is nothing but equal to 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. 6 equilateral triangles ka area na, root 3 by 4 a square. In the place of a square, I will substitute 2r by 3. So finally this will become 6 into root 3 by 4. My a square value will be equal to 4 by 4r square by 13. Am I right or wrong? 4r square by 13. Is it so? Yes. So this will be 4 gets cancelled. So finally what will be left over, ma? 6 root 3 by 13. 6 root 3 by 13, r square will be left over. So from this I have to subtract all these things. Am I right or wrong? So what will be the value there? I can take down r square as common outside. From the semicircle, pi by 2 value will be left over inside. Minus 6 root 3 by 13 is left. So your answer is wrong now. So my A option will be true. Any of you got this there? Correctly done na? My A option will be true. Done? Exactly. Let's come to the next one. Again, one of my famous interested question. I have asked this question in many blogs. In 2018, pre-lockdown, I have asked this question in my FB blog. And I took this question from our textbook here, IMS textbook, I think so. Let me know the kite A, B, C, D inscribed in a circle of radius 7 cm has sides of length 11.5 cm and 8 cm as shown in the figure. Yeah, Pankaj, bolo. The kite A, B, C, D. So you can solve this question with the formula if you know the area of the quadrilateral. Now kite is a quadrilateral only. Now what type of quadrilateral is this? Of course it is given as kite. I accepted. This kite is inscribed in a circle. Ah, badhiya. Prabhat, very good here. Excellent man. Excellent man. Excellent. 31. Is it 31 first of all? Very good. Very good. So how did you solve? Prabhat, what is your logic there? So I'll explain both the logics what I have with me, then you can decide on your own. Now see here, A, B, C, D is a kite, but all the vertices of the kite are on the circle. So I can consider A, B, C, D as cyclic quadrilateral. I can consider A, B, C, D as a cyclic quadrilateral. So how many of you know this? Let us keep it aside. I'll explain you later about regarding cyclic quadrilateral. Now let's take down like this. Now see here, this is a kite. I will be taking a line segment from C to A. Now you closely observe that everybody know one pair of exactly opposite vertices will be having same angle, and I can easily say, see here, if I take down AC as diameter of the circle, if I take down AC as diameter of the circle, with respect to the diameter, AD and DC are chords drawn onto the circumference of the circle. According to the Thales theorem, now what will be the angle here? It will make 90 degrees. Similar thing, it will be happening same here also. LHS is equal to RHS shape, na? Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes, perfectly done. By this I can easily solve now. Now find out the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle will be equal to half into 8 into 11.5 perpendicular sides. How many such triangles are there? L, left and right, right? L and R, both are same. Because in kite, two pairs of opposite sides will be equal. This is 8 and this will be 11.5. Kite property is this. Into 2. What will be the answer there? 5 8s are 40. I mean 8 5s are 40. 8 1s are 8. So 124. Am I right or wrong? 8 5s are 40. 1 12 94. Sorry 92. 92. Area of the quadrilateral kite is 92 centimeters square. Now you closely observe there, find out the area of the circle. Area of the circle is nothing but equal to pi r square and radius of the circle is given as 7. So 22 divided by 7 into radius is 7 into 7. So finally 7 gets cancelled. It will be 154 centimeters square. Now subtract from circle the kite area. Now what will be this thing? Is it a 62 centimeter square? Yes. But ab dekho by this AD area, this DC area, because AD and DC are exactly same. Whatever the area that you have on RHS will be equal to area on LHS also. Damn surely, because same side, nothing changed. So the enclosed area will also be same exactly. So automatically 62 centimeter square is nothing but area outside the kite and inside the circle. So I will divide it by 2. So this will be 31 centimeter square. This is my answer. Or otherwise, if you know the area of the cyclic ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, na? Cyclic quadrilateral area is nothing but equal to, anybody know the formula there? Root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D. How many of you know this formula? Of course, those who are little bit frequently solving geometry wala can know this. S is nothing but called semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C plus D by 2. Now see here, A and B are 11.5 and 8. Is it 19.5? 19.5 is nothing but how much? Or am I right or wrong? 19.5 into 2 divided by 2. So semi-perimeter will be 19.5. So see here, I will solve this. S is nothing but 19.5 minus 8, one line segment length. 19.5 minus 8, of course another one. CD will be same na, 19.5 minus 11.5. 19.5 minus 11.5. Hope so you are understanding my logic there. Now calculate this value and that will be my answer there. Area of the cyclic quadrilateral. 19.5 minus 8 will be how much? 11.5. 11.5 11.5 into 11.5 into 8 into 8. So automatically answer will be 11.5 into 8. 11.5 into 8 is nothing but equal to 92 centimeters square. and you can use the same logic. So see, I got the same 92 centimeter square. Of course, you can use the formula, or otherwise you can use the normal technique also to solve the question area. So nothing to worry. So just to give the data, I have given you the formula, area of the cyclic quadrilateral, because all the vertices of the quadrilateral are on the circumference of the circle. Hope so clear? Let's go for the next one. Again, one of the best question here. I'm waiting for this question to be given to you. Let's see how many can solve this. So yesterday, day before yesterday, I think so, right? एक बच्चों ने requested for to prove the Stewart's theorem. At the end of the class, I will prove it here. Then later on you can use it, or of course only the application is needed. Nobody need proofs there. But I'll explain it. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll explain you Sievert's theorem. Tomorrow I'll explain you Menela's theorem. All those theorem and its applications also. From that only we will be extracting our centroid ratios, right? So centroid will divide the median in 2:1 ratio will be extracted from Menela's theorem only. Of course, Sievert's and Menela's. Any answer for this? I have removed the options here. You can keep pi value and then you can say the answer. No need to calculate pi value. Keep pi value as it is and let me know the answer there. Two circles with centers at O and P intersect each other at points A and B such that angle AOB is 60 degrees. Okay, that was given there. R1, radius 1 is 21 units and R2 is 7√3 units. NM and QM are tangents to the smaller circle. What is the area of the shaded region is the question asked. Anybody got idea? Five, 6, 5. No. So you closely observe there. I'm rounding off this. AOBP is a quadrilateral. Am I right or wrong? AOBP is a quadrilateral. And again, what are the angles there? I'll prove it. Ab dekho, OA is nothing but called tangent to the smaller circle. OB is nothing but called tangent to the smaller circle. And radius of a circle, of course, see here, am I right or wrong? So this is radius of the outer circle. Now AQ is tangent of the outer circle. Tangent of the outer circle and radius will make 90 degrees by tangent perpendicularity theorem. That I have proved it here. And the same case will work out here also. Same thing. Am I right or wrong? Yes. You are asked to find the shaded area. Now in what way this will be helpful? Now I can easily write down quadrilateral sum of the angle should be 180 into 2. Already 180 is done. Now this is 60. Now this will be 120. Okay, fine. And again, to be little bit more elaborative, I will take down a line segment from here to A to B. Now closely observe the triangle OAB. Triangle OAB. R1. This is 21. This is also R1. Now closely observe there. These two are equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now this is 60 and this angle will be 60 degrees and this angle will be 60 degrees. Just to give information, automatically this angle will be 30 degrees and this angle will be 30 degrees. And the remaining 120, everything got satisfied. 120, I'll write down like this. Now I will be extending this line segment up to here. Now the same thing will be applicable now. Now closely observe there, vertically opposite angles will be equal. When two line segments intersect each other, vertically opposite angles will be equal. Now see, this is 120 and this will also be 120. Everybody know this is total 120, 90, 90 and this will be 60. Completely, now this angle will be 30 degrees. Everybody know, because so why means you closely observe there. So observe there. This is 120 now. Damn surely 90, 60, 30 degrees triangle must be there. Why? See here, this radius, this is radius of the smaller circle. This radius of the smaller circle is given as 7√3. Now closely observe there, 7 root 3 is nothing but opposite to 30 and this is 90. These are perpendicular sides, these are hypotenuse side. So see here, this is 30, 60, 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle must be in the format of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Write down here. Because these two sides are equal. Am I right or wrong? I can do it right. So see, this is 7 root 3 opposite to 30 degrees. And this will be 21. Now this will be 2 na 14 root 3. Now which is 21? NM value will be 21 beta, right? Hope so I am clear regarding this. Yes or no? Now observe there, I am again rounding off. This is nothing but called sector area. Am I right or wrong? So how much is sector area? 120 degrees. So I'll be taking down like this. Sector area 120 degrees divided by 360 into pi r square. Again, what is this? This is the not total sector. In the total sector area, now from the total quadrilateral area, what is this quadrilateral area? So see here, I can do like this. I will take down this part, I will take down this part. I will find out this area of this part. Half, this is triangle na, half into perpendicular sides 7 root 3 into 21. So how many such are there? 1, 2. I will multiply into 2. So finally 2 gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7. It is 143, 147 root 3 is the total area of this quadrilateral. From this I have to remove the sector area. This is the sector area. Then I will get the shaded area. So 147 root 3 minus, what is this value there? 121s are, 123s are. Radius is how much? 7 root 3. So I'll write down here 1 by 3 into pi into 7 root 3 is nothing but 49 into 3. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So area of my sector is nothing but 49 pi. So if I remove from total quadrilateral area of the sector, then that will be my shaded area, right? So is this my area, shaded area? Please let me know. Yes, perfectly. How many of you got the same answer there? Waiting for your answer. Patra, Pralay, Prabhat, right? Once the extraordinary question here. I hope so I am clear. Chalo then. Let's go for the next question. Yes, and one such beautiful question. So those who have more logic can solve this question easily. So I'm thinking, so I'm hoping Pralay to solve this question. Where is Srinivas today? In rectangle ABCD. So do try to hit the like button here, those who are watching the session, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Later on, those who watch recorded, many were pinging me on Telegram groups. Any answer? Nobody. My favorite question here. Chalo, I'll solve it. In a rectangle ABCD, AD side is given as 3, AB side is given as 8. Okay, fine. Okay. M is the midpoint of AB. By this, what can I write down? My AM value will be 4 damn surely, because midpoint na. Now closely observe there, ADM is a right angle triangle, as rectangle vertex angle will be 90 degrees. So automatically what will be my DM value? Will it be 5? Yes, it will be 5. Now, any other point? A square PQRS is inscribed in a circle such that it touches MD, okay, BC, okay, and DC it seems. Okay, fine. So, done. So, it doesn't touch AD. What is the area of the shaded region is the question asked. Chalo, what I will do is, now, this length is 3. Am I right or wrong? BC length is 3 na? I will extend this BC to a line, to a length of again 1 more 3. 1 more 3. I will extend this BM to length of 1 more 5. One second, we'll do like this. So see here, I'll extend this length A, B, C, D, E, F. So I'll write on X here. I extended up to length 5 here. I extended up to length 3 here. Okay. Now see here, is this nothing but XDC is a right angled triangle. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Because this is 8, this is 6, and my hypotenuse is 10, Pythagorean triplet. In a right angle triangle, this circle is nothing but called in circle. Am I right or wrong? Very good. Now, is this nothing but called diameter of the in circle? Diameter of the in circle is nothing but equal to diagonal of the square. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes, perfectly. So first of all, I will find out the in radius. Everybody know in radius ka formula bata ho by R into S is nothing but equal to area of the triangle. S is nothing but called semi perimeter. R into semi perimeter is nothing but equal to 6 plus 8 plus 10 by 2 is equal to area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is nothing but half into base into height, half into 6 into 8. Right or wrong? So this 2 gets cancelled. R is equal to 6 into 8 by 16, 24. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 24. 6 ones are 6 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos are. So my in radius of the circle, now this is nothing but called in radius. So my in radius is nothing but equal to R value is nothing but equal to diameter of the square. Diameter of the square is nothing but equal to R is equal to root 2A. So my R value is nothing but equal to 2 by root 2. Root 2 by 2. So my A value is nothing but equal to root 2. What is the question asked? What is the area of the shaded region? It seems total area of the circle is nothing but equal to pi r square. Pi r square is nothing but equal to 4 pi. Am I right or wrong? Now, what is the area of the square? Area of the square is A is root 2 minus did I missed out anything there? Did I missed out anything there? Diagonal. Better, right? This is radius na diameter. Sorry. I missed out a value here. So I will be writing down like this. Radius is not diameter, ma. So diameter is nothing but equal to diameter of circle is nothing but equal to diagonal of the square. This is the point there. So everybody know diameter is how much? 4. 4 is equal to root 2a. Now I can write down 4a is equal to 4 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2 by rationalizing. At last finally 2 root 2. So 4 pi. Area of the square is nothing but 2 root 2 whole square. So I have to subtract this 2, then I will get the shaded area. Shaded area is nothing but equal to 4 pi minus 8 square units. Am I right or wrong? Did anybody got the same answer there? So see, those who can visualize this can answer the question very easily. My option number A satisfies there. Done. And R is nothing but called in radius, because it is in circle na. So I already discussed about in radius in the previous classes. So I am getting those questions clubbed together. Chalo. Let's go with the next one. Yes. So most of you guys might have solved this question, right? Grazing cow, grazing field cow. Now this is similar type of question with dogs, right? Srinivas, yeah, that's an easy question, na? Waited for 20 seconds more. That's an easy question. First of all, 4 dogs are tied with chains of equal length such that the points where they are tied when joined form a square whose side is twice the length of a chain, it seems. So I'll draw the things like this, final shape. Then we can get clarity. So see here, a square is formed, it seems. Am I right or wrong? Yes, square is formed. So the thing is, so these are tied to the ropes. Let us suppose I'll take down. Just I'm drawing it planar, I mean, just for the sake of understanding only. So 4 dots, this is the thing happening there. Is the way exactly. So 4 dogs are tied with chains of equal length such that the points where they are tied when joined form a square whose side is twice the length of the chain. If I take down length of the chain as L, now see here side of the square will be 2L, it seems. This is the data given there. Now what is the question now? If the length of a chain is L units, then what is the area enclosed within the square which cannot be accessed by the dog, it seems. Now closely observe there, dog can run only in this dotted area, and see here this is nothing but a circle and this central angle is 90 degrees. So the sector area is nothing but equal to 90 degrees divided by 360 degrees into pi r square. So r value is nothing but is equal to length of the chain L square. So this will be, so 9 ones are 9 fours are. How many such dogs are there? 4 dogs are there. Automatically pi L square is the area enclosed by the dogs. And you closely observe that area of the square will be equal to 2L whole square, which is nothing but equal to 4L square. So subtraction of this will be the area which cannot be accessed by the dog there. I can take down L square as common. So 4 minus pi is my value. So how many of you got the same answer there? A. That's an easy question, right? So one of the best question here. I'm expecting you guys to answer this question. So try this. Let me know. Srinivas, what's your answer there for this? What's the answer for this? A, B, C, D is an isosceles trapezium with AB is parallel to CD. Okay, fine. This is a normal trapezium property only. AB is parallel to CD, it seems. A circle with center goal lying at the center of the median is exactly middle line segment, right? Middle of the trapezium as shown in the figure. AE and BF are perpendicular to DC. If AB is equal to 8 centimeters, if AB is equal to 8 centimeters, so what will be the answer there? Anybody? If AB is equal to 8, I can damn surely say my EF is also 8 because this will be a AB EF will be a rectangle in a trapezium. Everybody know about this. ABEF will be a rectangle, opposite sides will be equal, and this will be 8. Now, in what way this will be helpful? Let's see. Now, isosceles trapezium, everybody know this is median. Now, automatically AI value is given as 4. What is the approximate area of the circle enclosed within the trapezium is the question asked. Enclosed within the trapezium. Okay, fine. Now, see here, I will be taking down like this. I will find out the radius of the circle. So see here, radius, this is radius OB. OF is nothing but called radius. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Please let me know. B. Yes, it is B. Yeah. Now, closely observe there. What will be the value of OB? Now, this is 8. Now, closely observe there. I will be taking down one more line segment. Now, this is also radius. Now, BE is nothing but called diagonal of the square. Means 8 root 2 is nothing but called diagonal of the square. So, this 8 root 2 is nothing but called diameter of the circle. Am I right or wrong? Diameter of the circle is nothing but equal to 8 root 2. So automatically what will be radius? Radius will be equal to 4 root 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Radius is nothing but equal to 4 root 2. Now, area of the circle is nothing but equal to pi r square. Let's find out this, then we will go on later, right? Pi r square, pi into 4 root 2 whole square. 4 root 2 whole square, which is nothing but equal to 32 pi. Okay, fine. From this 32 pi, what I will do is 32 pi is nothing but area of the circle. From this, I will remove the area of the square. Area of the square is nothing but 64. Am I right or wrong? So I will be writing down this as 8 into 4 pi minus 8. Now this is the nothing but area of the circle outside the square. Now see, this is the area of the circle outside the square. This is area of the circle outside the square. This is area of the circle outside. This is area of the circle outside the square. All the sector areas, all the arc, I mean, this areas will be same because 8, 8, 8 na. So I will be, so how many parts are there? 4 parts are there. I will divide it by 4. So each part value is 2 into, each part value is 8 pi minus 16. Now what is the question asked? How much of the area of the circle? Find the approximate area of the circle enclosed within the trapezium. It is the question asked. So how to solve this? Enclosed the trapezium. Now see here, I'll write down in reading. This is the part which is enclosed in the trapezium. This is the part which is enclosed in the trapezium. How much part? 2 parts. So from total area of the circle 32 pi, only remove 2 parts, minus 2 into 8 pi minus 16. So see here, 8 pi is nothing, 8 into 2 is 16, 32 minus 16 is 16 pi, minus 2 into minus 16 will be 32. And see here, 16 I will take down as common. 16 into pi plus 2 is nothing but the approximate area which is enclosed within the trapezium, centimeter square. It's nothing but your answer, and your option number B satisfies there. Perfectly done. No issues, na? Exactly. Sure. Let's go with the next one. So how many questions are there? 2 more questions are there. Let's solve this. Of course, let's solve this and then I'll end the session. We'll do in the next class. Okay. C. Why? Why so? If the exterior angle of a triangle, it seems here. So take the shape first of all. If the exterior angle of a triangle with interior angles, right? So this is one exterior angle. This is one exterior angle. This is one exterior angle. Of course, you can take in any way. Now, if I take down, you see, if I take down, so this is the point with interior angles A, B. Exterior angles are in arithmetic progression, it seems here. Now, what is this angle here? This angle will be 180 minus A. Some of the adjacent angles will be 180 degrees. Now this angle will be 180 minus B. This angle will be 180 minus C. What is the question asked? Then which of the following is definitely false, it seems. Definitely false. Now see here, 180 minus B is nothing but equal to 180 minus A plus 180 minus C divided by 2. Now this is what, right? Yes, very good. C also satisfies for the equilateral triangle there. So this will be 2 into 180 minus 2B is equal to 2 into 180 minus A plus C. Automatically 2 into 180, 2 into 180 gets cancelled. B is equal to A plus C by 2. This is the condition formed. This condition is valid for this one. Now this condition is valid for equilateral triangle. This condition is valid for all triangles. This condition is valid, so it is true. This condition is valid for equilateral triangle 60, 60, 60, even though this will be correct there. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Equilateral triangle. Yes, and this also works out for equilateral triangle. So it is not definitely false. It is a chance of true. Again, Lallu music started, right? Lallu doesn't have any work. Equilateral triangle. Now your option is none of these. Yes, perfectly done. We'll do one more question. Yeah, we'll do one more question. Last one of the series. Try this. So tomorrow I'll explain you about Stewart's theorem. Proof of Stewart's theorem, proof of Menela's theorem, proof of all those theorems, right? Because that will be helpful later on for you for solving the questions there. Be very easy. In a triangle ABC, lengths of AB, BC and AC are 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 7 centimeters. AB is 5 it seems, BC is 3 it seems, and AC is 7 centimeters it seems. Okay. D is a point on CB extended such that AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC means this will be making 90 degrees. Yes. Find the length of AD is the question asked. So fine. So I will take down triangle ADB as an right angle triangle here. Then let's find out this AD square plus DB. Oh, okay. I'll take down ADB. Okay. DB square is nothing but equal to AB square. AB square is nothing but equal to 25. I'll consider now triangle ADC. Firstly, observe that AD square plus DB plus BC whole square. BC whole square is equal to 49. Now, in the place of, so see, I'll write down this AD square plus DB square plus BC square. DB square plus BC square plus 2 into DB into BC is nothing but equal to 49. So chalo, I'll write down like this. In the place of DB square, I'll write down 25 minus AD square. Or otherwise, AD square plus DB square can be written as 25. Now BC square value can be written as 9 plus 2 into BC value is 3. So finally can I write down this? So I'll write down like this. 2 into DB into 3 is equal to 49. Basically, what will be the value there here? So this is 6 dB is equal to 49 minus 9 will be 40. 40 minus 25 will be 15. So this will be 5 and this will be 2. So my dB value will be equal to 5 by 2. So dB value will be 5 by 2. Now what is the question asked now? Substitute the same thing there, then you will get the answer there. Right? So AD square is nothing but equal to 25 minus 25 by 4. So this will be how much ma? 75 by 4 AD square. Now AD value will be how much? So 25 into 5, right? 5 root 5 by 2. Is there any option? Your option is none of these. Done. What's the answer there? Of course, that's an easy question. It was asked by one guy since in the next class, right? So how are the questions today? I hope so. I have reached your expectations. Yes. Next class, right? So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10 on Unacademy app. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10, and these are the prices normally what we have. But today the offer ends. So sharp 11:59 p.m. July 29th. Today the offer ends sharp 11:59 p.m. Where you will be getting flat 20% discount with my code NLN10. And yes, you will be getting free extension of 1 month for a free, 3 months for 12 months, 6 and 6 for 18 and 24 months. So extension plus flat 20% discount. So do try to subscribe before 11:59 p.m. today. Right? If you have any doubts, you can call to that number, right, regarding your subscriptions, or you can ping me on the Telegram group. I'll reply you. Okay. So those who are expecting only test series aid, yes, you can subscribe to GATE Lite subscription, where you will be provided with DBPs, sectional test, complete test series, right? And yes, I am forwarding my notes to community feature. I am interacting with you in the community feature. I'm daily forwarding my updates, right? Do try to interact with me, speak about your doubts. I'll clear each and every doubt of you. And yes, Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. You need not wait for anyone's help, right? If you have any doubt, click that picture, crop that question, upload in doubts and solutions section on the app or website, select your preferred language, get the video solution within minutes, and you can ask 3 doubts at a time. Right? And yes, do try to join my special classes, right? My special classes has very huge crowd, right? So my strategy sessions, my campus placement strategies, right? My career opportunities class have very good crowd. Do try to attend it, and the interaction level will be 10x more than what you observe here. Yes. And yes, please do try to like the class and share my class if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram groups and communities, hit the bell icon to get the updates, right? Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.